first order came in right away. I know it's not going to be ready, but I don't mind waiting for a little bit this time because I am still asleep. This one's going to be Chick-fil-A, $10, going about 6 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's going to be $8, going about 4 miles.
Good morning, welcome in.
Morning.
Thank you, have a good day.
You too, thank you. Next order up is going to be for Starbucks. This one's going to be $8, going 4 miles. I'm going to get gas real quick though, so be there soon.
Oh, that's a great place.
Crumble cookies, $7.75, going just under 4 miles. Yeah, sure, why not? Not open. What time do they open? 8 in the morning. I'm 1 minute early.
Yeah, I'll get that started right now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. I always love reading the little notes they leave on these boxes. This one says, hope these cookies help you heal faster. I love you, Auntie blank. How sweet is that? Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7, going 3 miles. Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $7, going just under 4 miles. Never mind, this one's better. Voodoo Donut, $9.75, going 4.5 miles. We're doing that one instead. Thank you.
Have a great one.
Next order up, we've got Starbucks, $7 and some change, going 2.5 miles.
I think she went a little overboard.
Yes.
On the dress.
Got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for Cupidone coffee, $9, going 4 miles.
Good morning.
Morning. Thank you. Hi, kitty. Psst, 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 psst. This one isn't the greatest order, but it's got potential to have a hidden tip on it, so let's do it. This one is Donut Nook, $8.75, going 5 miles.
This one from Applefield apples, pretty tasty also.
Oh. Next order up, we've got a Burgerville. This one's gonna be $10 and some change, going just under 5 miles. Thank you. Got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for Panda Express, $7 and some change, going less than 3 miles.
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Is it on?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Can I ask why you're doing that?
Do you want the real answer or the fake one?
Both.
I think that was the first time that I actually revealed the real reason as to why I'm recording. I don't know why I did it. It just seemed genuinely curious, but I guess I blew my cover. Next up, we've got a Muchas Gracias order. This one's gonna be $8 going 4 miles. We got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $12.75 going 5 miles, 4 items. Two of these. Okay, and then just scribble on that line for me. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $8 and some change going 4 miles.
Hey, you do the TikToks?
No. Thank you.
I don't know, I really do.
All right, I could smell the grease through that bag and it kind of made me hungry. So we're gonna call it here and go get some lunch. Current time is 12:13. Current total is 118, and I have like 3 Uber tips yet to come in, so I don't really know what it's gonna be. My guess is close to 130. Pretty good, right? I felt like I was really busy, so the day went by very quickly for me. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.